To use shadows tool to brighten dark areas in photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Swipe the icon area to the left to find shadows icon. Now drag the slider to the left to darken shadows area to create a more dramatic or moody effect. Or you can drag the slider to the right to brighten shadow areas to reveal more detail in dark spot without affecting the valid parts too much. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. As a note, the shadows tool works great for photos with strong backlight, underexposed areas, or images taken in low light where subjects look too dark. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.